Welcome back to another deep dive into the world of crypto and decentralized infrastructure. Today, we're exploring one of the most ambitious projects in the Web3 space, Helium, the decentralized wireless network that wants to disrupt telecom giants using crypto incentives. From the Internet of Things to 5G, from hotspots to mobile mining, Helium is carving its own path. But is the vision working? Let's find out. Helium was founded in 2013 by Amir Halim, Sean Fanning, yes, the co-creator of Napster, and Sean Carey. Initially, the project aimed to build decentralized wireless infrastructure for IoT devices. In 2019, they launched the Helium network on blockchain, pioneering the concept of proof of coverage. Amir Halim remains CEO of Nova Labs, the company behind Helium. The team is a blend of crypto talent and telecom engineers with strong Silicon Valley backing. Investors include Multicoin Capital, Union Square Ventures, and A16Z. With over $100 million raised, Helium had both the capital and clout to try something no one else had before. Helium's early focus was low-power IoT devices, think asset tracking, smart sensors, and environmental monitors. By deploying hotspots, users could mine HNT tokens by proving they were providing wireless coverage. But in 2022, Helium announced its biggest pivot yet, expanding into 5G through the Helium Mobile network. This meant onboarding mobile devices, carrier partnerships, and launching a native Helium SIM. They partnered with T-Mobile for back-end coverage and began selling 5G-compatible hotspots. The pivot was risky, but potentially huge. Helium wanted to become the decentralized infrastructure layer for all wireless networks, not just IoT. Helium's GitHub repositories are hosted under Helium, Nova Labs, and Helium Hotspot app. Over the years, core repos like Blockchain Node, Miner, and Mobile CLI have seen consistent development, though activity peaked around 2021 and declined somewhat after their move to Solana in 2023. Still, the open-source ecosystem around Helium is active, especially in community tooling, firmware updates for hotspots, and mobile client upgrades. Helium's transition to the Solana blockchain also saw significant coordination work across their validators and Oracle network. HNT, the native token of Helium, was designed with a two-token model, HNT and data credits, DCs. HNT is burned to mint DCs, which are used to pay for network usage. Total supply, 223 million. Emission schedule, originally targeted for 5 million per month, halving every 2 years. Staking, validators earn HNT for securing the network. Burn mechanism, more usage, equal more HNT burned for data credits. A key shift occurred when Helium moved its proof of coverage and rewards logic off-chain and onto oracles, and then later fully migrated to Solana in April 2023. This made HNT more scalable and reduced blockchain overhead, but also sparked debates about decentralization. The Helium white paper introduced a unique incentive model for building physical infrastructure, proof of coverage. The idea: people deploy hotspots, earn tokens by verifying coverage, and get rewarded when devices use their network. With the expansion to 5G and cellular networks, this model was adapted to include bandwidth usage tracking, spectrum licensing, and even SIM-based authentication. The Helium white paper focuses heavily on incentive design, minimizing fraud in coverage claims, and gamifying network expansion. It also explains the token dynamics and the switch to a multi-chain architecture, ending up with Solana as their L1 of choice. Because Helium is an infrastructure project rather than a DeFi protocol, it isn't highly ranked on DeFi Llama's TVL charts. However, here's what we do know. TVL. Minimal, since usage is service-based, not collateral-based. HNT market cap. 400 nene, as of mid-2025. Circulating supply. 160 million. HNT burn rate. Depends on network usage, data packets. Mobile subscribers, tens of thousands, growing monthly. The project's biggest asset isn't TVL, it's coverage. Over 900,000 LoRaWAN hotspots and over 10,000 5G hotspots have been deployed globally, according to the official Explorer. Helium's sustainability relies on two main things. Continued usage of the network, data packet transfers equal HNT burns. Adoption of Helium Mobile as a real mobile carrier. Alternative Nova Labs has raised considerable funds, but ongoing operating costs for validators, mobile operations, and customer support will require substantial revenue. The long-term sustainability will come if users are willing to pay for cheaper, privacy-focused mobile plans that Helium offers. Helium has faced scrutiny around its hotspot earnings claims, data privacy practices, and use of licensed spectrum in some regions. In 2022, Helium was criticized for listing fake partnerships with Salesforce and Lime. This hurt credibility. That said, by operating under Nova Labs and partnering with T-Mobile, they've structured the business to stay within US telecom regulations. As they grow, they'll need to carefully navigate FCC rules, data privacy laws, and possibly even SEC scrutiny should tokens be viewed as securities. Helium's roadmap includes expanding Helium mobile coverage in US cities, rolling out eSIM support, growing enterprise IoT integration, continuing validator decentralization on Solana, integrating new protocols under the Helium Network DAO. Much of their 2023 roadmap was delivered, including full migration to Solana, Helium Mobile Beta, and improved Oracle architecture. On the horizon, full eSIM onboarding via the Helium, mobile app lower cost, international roaming, enhanced data credit UX and burn visibility, hotspot reward upgrades based on actual usage data. DAO governance proposals for new wireless spectrum use cases. That's the end of this 10-minute deep dive into Helium. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more deep dives into the crypto projects shaping the future. Got a project you want covered next? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring.